Have you ever heard of like gateway products that make you want to try a whole entire brand? I had the opportunity to try Grown Alchemist Lip Balm in vanilla watermelon, and this is my gateway. I feel like I want to try everything. It's highly nourishing. Let me just show you. Look at my lips before the lip balm. It's very ashy. And let me apply it to the back of my hand so I could show you the texture. So it's very emollient. And then let me just apply it to my lips. So this is my lips without Grown Alchemist. And this is my lips with. Look how juicy they look. I mean, the smell reminds me of my childhood. It's like a faint, I can't explain it, but it does smell like bubblicious to me, but very subtle in the way that I just want more. And the instructions, the last sentence in the instructions, use often as desired. I just want to keep using this over and over again just to get that sensation, that smell sensation. I love products that not only deliver what they say they're going to deliver, but also tingle your other senses.